Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by softening the stain. Warm water opens skin pores and loosens henna. Once done, massage a generous layer of olive oil into the palm for 2 to 3 minutes so the oil penetrates pigment. Next, sprinkle a tablespoon of sugar or a teaspoon of baking soda onto your palm and start firm, circular exfoliation. You'll feel resistance at first. Keep pressure steady but comfortable. This initial exfoliation removes the top stained skin cells and releases dye fragments. Don't stop until the surface light. Now you escalate to targeted stain removers for deeper color. Apply a small amount of diluted hydrogen peroxide or fresh lemon juice to the stubborn areas. These oxidizers break down the dye molecules. Once applied, add your scrub back and gently exfoliate for another 2 minutes to lift loosened pigment. Make sure to rinse frequently during the process to monitor effects and prevent overdrying. If you feel burning, stop immediately and rinse with cool water. Irritation signals concentration or time is too high. You finish by thoroughly rinsing and patting your palm dry, then sealing moisture with a thick cream or coconut oil to restore the barrier. Once done, inspect. If faint traces remain, repeat the gentle exfoliation once per day. Avoid aggressive scrubs more than once every 24 hours to prevent damage. If you notice persistent redness, blistering, or pain, stop all treatments. That's a sign of irritation or allergic reaction, and you should seek appropriate care. One key tip: test any chemical on a small area first.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.